After we set up the app, I will blow into the whistle to activate it. As you could see, it will start calling out to my boyfriend. My boyfriend will receive the phone call. My friend will receive an SOS message. And my dad will receive the email. He can press this to track my location. I will now go ahead to deactivate the phone call. Because I blew into the whistle, there will be a loud alarm sound. I will now deactivate the emergency alarm. My friend will receive a message notifying that I'm now safe. So this is how you activate SafSmart WISO.